Alright, so let's start our build where we always do, with measuring, marking and our initial cuts. The big thing with this one is because we're starting with quite large initial material, you've got to make sure that when you are measuring and marking and when you're doing your cutting, you're allowing for the width of the saw blade in your cut and for being able to sand down and smooth down those cut edges. So there are a couple of ways you can do this. You can either measure and cut each piece as you go. So mark out and cut your first piece and then mark your second piece from where you cut. Right, that's one option. Another option is to actually measure and mark out all of your pieces at the beginning. The trick there is to make sure that you leave about a 3mm gap between the end of one piece and the start of another, just to allow for, like I say, the width of that cut and the saw blade and being able to smooth down those edges. The good thing with that method is that it does mean you can make sure that you're actually going to be able to fit all of your pieces and you've got enough material.